All right, so this is what you do if you have some ammo that is shoved down into the brass. Look at that one. It's 9mm. There's one that has a light primer strike here too. Let me figure out which one it is. Sorry, you gotta watch me fumble through all of these. It's gotta be that one. Look at that. So this is what you do. My recommendation is never try to fire these. Maybe the one with the light primer strike, do it, you know, but don't ever shoot those. It's dangerous. Unless you got like a, you know, solid steel receiver gun and kind of a weirdo. Let's see what happens. I mean, I know that I'm gonna get some failures to feed, so we will probably load that guy straight into the chamber. Which is gonna be hard. There she is. Then we're just gonna do a mix and match of random ones in the mag. Let me figure out how to do this. I don't really even, oh, the case is dented. Some of these I was gonna say, I don't remember why I didn't use them. Obviously these ones that are really shoved in there, like that little guy, and that one, probably gonna have to hand load those into the chamber. You'll break your extractor, that's what everybody says. So, let's put some earplugs in. And see what happens. All right. Neighbor drove by. Had to pause the video for a minute. Let's see what happens. I have no idea if this is going to be in focus. Look at that, works like a champ. And my brass came right back to me. Like I say, I keep those only for the Uzi. Keep them in a little Ziploc bag. All right, let's see, let's load another one. This little guy. And then I'm gonna put that other one in the mag too, put the mag in, and we'll see if we can get a failure to feed, because that other one, awesome. Took him like a champ. All right, got some more ammo that I'm only gonna use in the Uzi. I don't even know how long I've had this. I dug it out of a ammo box when I was looking for 5.56, and I haven't been in that ammo box in probably, I don't know, 10 years. So what I did was I marked all the brass with a little paint pen, because I don't really want to, if I'm actually selling in my brass, I don't want to, you know, give somebody brass that I have no clue how many times it's been used. So loaded her up. I put on 10 rounds in there to see how it cycles. I think I got like 200 rounds of this stuff. Sucks to buy ammo that you don't really remember like where you got it from, especially if it works good. But since it's like remands by I don't know who, it's just going through the Uzi. It's dead. Not bad.